Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. My name is Jack Sax, the saxophone instructor right here in this channel. And today I'm going to be teaching on the topic Aeolian mode. In case you are new to this channel, please I'd like you to click on the subscribe button, and just beside it you will see a bell notification. Turn on the bell notification as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops here in this channel. And of course, for your intensive one-on-one trainings, you can reach out to me by calling the number +234 8144 058 513. Now, straight to the business of today, which is Aeolian mode. Aeolian mode is the 6th degree of our mode, which runs from La to La. Alright, so in this case I'll be saying La ti do re mi fa sol la, la sol fa mi re do ti la. That is your Aeolian mode. Okay, and the scale for this Aeolian mode is your root. I'm going to be playing on the key of C. This is your root. Okay, your 2nd degree, alright, which is Re. Alright, then flattened 3rd degree. Okay, then you go straight to the 4th degree. Right, from the 4th degree you go to the 5th degree. Right, from the 5th degree you have a flattened 6th degree. From the flattened 6th degree you have a flattened 7th degree. Tonics of our wise now you will have it as do re mo fa sol si do do. I need you to know that this same Aeolian mode is the one we refer to as what? Natural minor. It is the same thing. Your Aeolian mode is the same thing as natural minor. Now, we said that it is a scale that runs from what? From La to La. Now, what I'm going to do now, I want to show you a tweak now, which will help you to easily remember your Aeolian mode. What you are going to do, here we are playing on the key of C, right? This is my Do. Alright, so I will turn this my Do to La, and you will believe me that the key to which you are going to have your Do on the key of C as La is of none other but E flat, which implies that on E flat now you'll be playing La to La. Alright, so you'll be playing La ti do re mi fa sol la, la sol fa mi re do ti la, which is still the same thing as me playing do re mo fa sol si do do. So if you're playing on the key of C and somebody said you should play C minor, so what they are saying is that you should go straight to your what? To E flat. Alright? Playing La to La. La ti do re mi fa sol la, la sol fa mi re do ti la. That is your Aeolian mode, which is still the same thing as your what? Natural minor. Right now, we are going to look into some Aeolian mode licks. First on the list is. Now I'm going to take it slowly. This is Do, So, Do, Si, So, Fa, So, Mo, Re, Do. Alright? Still extend it from that high octave to a lower one by playing. This is Do, So, Do, Si, So, Fa, So, Mo, Re, Do, So, Do, Si, So, Fa, So, Mo, Re, Do. Alright? And second on the list you have is. Fa, So, Do, Do, Si, So, alright? Alright? So, Do, Re, Mo, Fa, So, Do, Do, Si, So. Alright? Now, this same lick, you can play it in another form by playing what? thing. The first song I played was on the lower octave, and the second one now is on the higher octave. The first one, and the second one now is. Next on the list is, this is re do so ta si so fa do mo re. Alright? Alright, I'll take a shake it again. It's on the lower octave, alright? As simple as that. And the next is, this is fa do re mo fa so do ta si so fa. Alright? We're going to take it slower than this, right? Fa do re mo fa so do ta si so fa. And the next you have is, I'm going to take this. This is so fa do re mo re do to si so. So fa do re mo re do to si so. Alright, this is it. I'll take it slowly. And now we're going to apply some of these licks on a song titled Amazing Grace. Alright, and the tone for the song is so do mi re do la so. So do mi re so. Mi sa mi do. So la do la so. So do mi re do. Now let's hear how we will apply some of these licks on the song titled Amazing Grace. Can you hear that? Re so, and I'm not playing what? Re so fa do re mo re do to si so. Alright? Alright? So that then. Alright? So do mi re do, and I'm now playing what? Da 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 re do sa ta si so fa sa ma re do. Alright? Same thing. Either I play it on the same range or I'll take it higher. Now I'm going to play everything together. How you can apply some of the Aeolian mode licks on the song titled Amazing Grace. So make out time to learn some of these licks. Alright, be creative enough to add to it on your own and try to use them. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and beside it, turn on the bell notifications. Thank you once again.